Hi, Richard here. Look what I have. This is my bag for the Mavic 3. This is where I put in the Mavic 3 controller body, and this one is a special part where I cut out to put in the second battery, and then my filters are here at the top. So I'm not here to show you the Mavic 3. I'm here to show you what I'm going to do to the Mavic 3 body. So I finally got my stickers. It's from RCSTQ, right? So I've got this made from China, and this how the stickers look like, because I just received them. I'm quite excited about this. Got some wipes and nothing else. So this how the sticker look like, and then you apply on the body, and that is how I like this, because it looks like a bumblebee stop sign or something like that. So I'm gonna try to apply this on the Mavic 3, and we'll have a look. I'm open up the Mavic 3, and here we have the stickers, or decals if you call them, and I'll start by putting it on piece by piece. Hopefully I can get the guide as well, because it does covers the top, the left and right, and the remote control. There's 3 large pieces here that we can use. Firstly, before I do stick it on, I have to remove my guards that I put on, these rubber guards that was meant to stop the body from being scratched. I need to take this off because the sticker do cover part of it. I have the guards here on the gimbal as well. You can see that. That's it. So that's to avoid the gears from landing gear from scratching any of the body part. So before we start, let's read the manual, instruction manual. Please refer to the instruction manual before use. Tear off the sticker and stick it to the corresponding position of the fuselage. Part of the curved surface will be more difficult to paste. If you find that the edge is curved after pasting, please use hot air of a hairdryer to heat it for a while, and then compact it until the sticker is fully attached to the body. So I may need a hairdryer, else I'll just fry it for an hour. I'll heat it up. So anyway, we'll try on the body, and most likely I'll need to do a wipe down. That's why they gave these wet wipes to wipe off the body from any oil or anything. So let's do this now. Done wiping, so I'm going to try to stick the first portion. Hopefully it comes out nice. I'm a bit worried. Didn't say which one first. Let's see. We'll start with number 1. And where is number 1? I can't tell. Do you have any idea how it looks like? Where's number 1? And I need to find the one which has zeros in them. Right, this is supposed to be this way, and that's number 1, the front here. But it looks like a whole piece, doesn't seem to be in portions. This doesn't seem to be in portions. It looks like a whole piece. Can you see that? It's a whole piece of sticker, right? Is it the pieces? Where's the connection? I'm not even sure where's this. Right, so I'm supposed to pull this out. Wow, okay, it looks odd. Where's this sticker? I can't tell. Where's it? Turn it up now. And towards the side. Oh, okay, I finally got it off. So this one is on top. Okay, I need to turn this around and put it near you guys so you guys can see this. So it looks like I have to base it on this portion of the drone. That's where the DJI is. So the curvature doesn't seem to match. Right, so let's get it on the DJI logo. I hope it matches. So then that's a bit curved. It's not, may not be right. So let's try where. Oh, doesn't match. Doesn't match. Needs to curve up a bit. And this needs to go there. Let's stretch it. I was stretching it towards the front. Seems to be right. Seems to be right. Let's stick this up and press it back down so it, because it's not perfect. It doesn't seem right. And I've got to do it again. Okay, now the sides. So now the sides, and I think we need to worry about the vents. Seems like the vent is very special design, and I need to make sure that it sits in nicely. So they did give way more stickers than I need. They have stickers on the arms, that's here, that's towards the end, and you really can't see it because this portion is meant to cover the back portion of this black part. And they even gave this portion for batteries. Technically is meant for here, the batteries, and they have printed indicators there as well, whether how much battery is left. So I will try to do the body first, and then I'll do the rest of it. Okay, looks like it's done, and that's how it looks like. And with this on the body, I'm not sticking the back portion, and I won't be sticking the battery portion as well, so I'll just leave it as it is. So this is how it looks like, which is just the body alone, and they even have it on the RC for the controller. That's how it looks like. I don't think I'll be sticking all the controller because it's a whole piece, it seems, and I may keep this as well. So what I do is I may stick the arms, or I may just stick the gimbal for the gimbal protector. So the gimbal does hit the motor, you can hear the sound. So it's best to put a sticker there. So I put it in the center. Hopefully it does stop the rocking part, not make the knocking sound like that. That's all, folks. Just a quick look at this Mavic 3 stickers for the Mavic 3, and I do hope you like the design, and I'm going to fly this. At least I can see it. It's very bright, and I'm gonna take some photos of this, and do give me a thumbs up if you like this, and subscribe. See you on the next video.